Hey guys, what's up? This is me Hardik. We are iGeeksblog, and whether you are interested in sports, entertainment, or whether you want to stay organized or entertained, I have got a widget for all your needs. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. The first widget I want to talk about is from the app called Sports Alerts. So now, as the name suggests, it's a very simple app and a very simple widget. It will let you know all the alerts regarding your favorite sports, whether it is NBA, NFL, basketball, and whatnot. And another interesting thing about this widget is you need to long press and hold on it. You need to go to Edit Widget, and over there you can select your league. MLB, NFL, NBA, there are plenty of other options as well. So let's say if I select NBA, everything related to NBA would be on my home screen. And not only that, I can select the days and the weeks as well. And of course, if you want detailed information in one go, then we have options of larger widgets as well. The next widget I want to talk about is from the app called Beer's Countdown. And if you have a countdown in your life, be it birthday, be it anniversary, or even a vacation, Beer's Countdown will make sure to keep the flame burning by keeping you excited in its own cute manner. You just need to select a widget, and then you can go to the app, you can create your own event, you can select the theme as well, and you can write a note, and it will start a countdown in a very colorful manner for your own task. Are you somebody who's working on gazillion things at the same time and needs many documents handy at the same time? In that case, this is the widget to go for. Documents is probably one of the best third-party iPhone widgets for you. From music, documents, photos, videos, even browsers to almost everything, this widget lets you access them with just a click. The next widget is very mindful about your well-being. WaterMinder is a very simple widget, and as the name suggests, it will keep on reminding you for water intake. This widget will always remind you that it is never too late to have a glass of water. No matter in what profession you work, but there won't be a day passing by when you do not check Wikipedia. But when that Wikipedia turns into a widget for your home screen, that is a total game changer. The widget will first offer you picture of the day. It will be available in 3 different sizes, where there will be a daily photo selected by the community, and they'll also give you reason why it is a picture of the day. And after that, it will offer you on this day. That means it will tell you what happened in history on this day. And that will also come in 3 different sizes. After that comes top read. That means it will tell you what the world is reading today on Wikipedia. And finally, you will get an option of featured article, where you can discover the best articles on Wikipedia selected daily by the community. So these are my top widgets which I wanted to offer you for your iPhone home screen. And if you are hungry for more, then you are in for a treat. We have sorted out more than 20 widgets for your iPhone home screen. The article link is there in the description box. And apart from this, it goes without saying that you can also tell your opinions, your comments, your suggestions in the comment section, so that our community can benefit from that. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. This is me Hardik. We are iGeeksblog. God bless.